Before muscle cars ruled the roads, before modern tech took over our dashboards, there was one car that defined an entire era of American cruising. A car so iconic that even people who never owned one still recognize it instantly. Today, we're taking you deep into the story of the 1957 Chevrolet Bel Air, one of the most loved classic cars in American history. Stick around till the end, because this legend has details most people never hear about. Welcome back to the channel at Carog765. If you love classic cars, vintage engineering, and iconic American rides, you're in the right place. I'm your host, and today we're exploring the timeless masterpiece, the 1957 Chevy Bel Air. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more amazing automotive history. Exterior. The 1957 Bel Air's exterior design is the reason it's considered one of the most recognizable cars ever produced. Right from the front, you're greeted by a bold chrome grille that stretches wide, with dual headlights framed in polished metal, pure 1950s luxury. The hood features sleek, jet-inspired ornaments that honor the era of aviation and space-age imagination. Move along the sides, and you'll notice something every Bel Air fan appreciates: the signature aluminum side trim that forms that long, sweeping, V shape. This gave the 57 model a distinctive two-tone effect that made the car pop, especially in colors like tropical turquoise, onyx black, and matador red. The tail end is where the Bel Air truly stands apart. Those iconic fins rising gracefully behind the rear wheels defined 1950s car culture. They weren't just stylish, they were a statement of American confidence. The tail lights sit inside chrome housings, and the rear bumper features jet-style exhaust ports for a futuristic look. Even today, collectors call the 1957 Bel Air one of the most beautiful automotive designs ever created. Interior. Step inside, and you instantly feel the charm of the 50s. Chevrolet designed the Bel Air's cabin to look expensive and feel premium. The dashboard is pure nostalgia, a wide metallic panel with soft curves, chrome accents, and the classic speedometer arch in the center. The seats were upholstered in two-tone vinyl or patterned cloth depending on the trim, giving the interior a unique retro theme. Bench seats made it easy for families and couples to slide in comfortably, and the rear seating offered plenty of room for long American road trips. The steering wheel, large and elegant, features a chrome horn ring, while the controls on the dash were simple, clean, and surprisingly well placed for a 1950s vehicle. Optional features like an AM radio, cigarette lighter, and heater made the Bel Air feel luxurious for its time. In short, the interior wasn't about technology, it was about style, comfort, and that unmistakable 1950s vibe. Performance. Under the hood, the 1957 Chevrolet Bel Air offered more power than ever before. Buyers could choose from several engines, but the star of the show was the 283 cubic inch V8. This engine, when paired with the optional fuel injection system, produced up to 283 horsepower, a remarkable achievement. Chevrolet used this moment to debut their famous slogan, 1 horsepower per cubic inch. Transmission options included a smooth Powerglide automatic, a 3-speed manual, or the upgraded Turboglide automatic, a futuristic gearbox for its time. On the road, the Bel Air delivered strong acceleration, confident highway cruising, and reliable handling. While it wasn't built for sharp cornering, it offered a smooth, relaxed drive, exactly what American families wanted in the 1950s. Conclusion. The 1957 Chevrolet Bel Air isn't just a car. It's a symbol of American culture, rock and roll, freedom, and the golden age of automobiles. Its design, its chrome, its fins, and its unforgettable styling continue to make it one of the most collectible and admired classic cars ever produced. Whether you love it for its beauty, its engineering, or the memories it carries, one thing is for sure. The 57 Bel Air will always be a legend. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe, drop a like, and tell us which classic car you want to see next.